สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe I'm Nin. Welcome to my Thai cooking channel. Today I will show you one of a very tasty Thai dish. It is stir fry seafood with green curry paste and fresh coconut. But before we start, let me tell you about my pattern page. In that website, you have a lot of great bonus such as the written recipe of each video on my channel. Even my cookbook, not finished yet, but soon. Also, you can have a live cooking class with me. Alright, are you ready to cook? Let's go! First step, we are going to make a coconut bowl. To do so, we are going to use a sharp knife to cut on top of coconut to open it and save the juice to drink later. As I said in the beginning, we are going to cut on top of the coconut to open it, right? So make sure your knife is very sharp and wash your finger. For me, I would like to make a mark first to make sure where I should cut it deep exactly. Just like this. As you can see, I make a line and now I will cut it deeper to open it. Remember, wash your finger, don't cut it. If you have a bigger knife, I'm happy for you. That would be easier. Go deep, go deep. Right, let's try to open. Before going to a next step, I think we should remove the juice first. And now we will have a fresh coconut juice to drink later. I recommend to keep it in the fridge to make it even fresh. Yay! Now we got the coconut bowl ready. Make sure your coconut bowl is have enough space to stuff the fried seafood green curry paste inside. After the bowls, we are going to remove the coconut meat for cooking later on. Try to remove all the coconut meat and make sure that your spoon is strong enough. See? My spoon is very big. It's like this already. It's almost break. It's funny. Once we remove all the coconut meat already, you have to check again because there is still some hard chunks of coconut skin. So remove this, but for the one stick on the coconut meat, it's fine to eat, but this one, make sure to remove it. We will cut the big chunk of coconut meat into medium chunks. And during this time, we can also double check again for the hard skin. Sometimes it also stick in the white skin, like this one. Alright, I think this is good. For the seafood I choose today is mussel, shrimp, and squid. For the shrimp, I already peeled and also remove black vein on the back. Before we start to cook, we are going to prepare the herbs, kaffir leaf, red chili, and fingerroot. For kaffir leaf, we are going to remove the hard rib like this. Just torn it. Actually, I think this is enough, so we will keep this one. And then we are going to fold it and roll it. This is the very easy way to slice. See? Just slice it. Yay! And now you have a very thinly slice of kaffir leaf. For the chili, yes, remove the tip and then cut it half. Remove the seeds. Once we remove all the seeds, we are going to thinly slice it, same as kaffir leaf. After this part, I recommend you to go wash your hands because the chili is quite spicy and it can burn your hands. Next is fingerroot. We are going to peel it. If you want to buy fingerroot, make sure it is Grachai, Grachai. And the other ingredients that cannot forget is Thai sweet basil. We need only the leaf, so just remove the leaf from it. Now we got everything already, so it's time to cook. Turn on medium heat, and then we are going to fry coconut milk with green curry paste. Until it's bubbling like this, we are going to add green curry paste. Fry the paste with coconut milk about 2 to 3 minutes until you can smell all the herbs. And by the way, if you want to know how to make a yummy green curry paste, it's right here. Go have a look. It's very easy. It's ready for the next step. We are going to add palm sugar, fish sauce, some more coconut milk. Keep stir until the palm sugar is all dissolved. It smells good. Once you show the palm sugar is all dissolved, we are going to add coconut meat. Stir to mix. And then fingerroot, some kaffir leaf, red chili, then our seafood. Now stir. Stir until the paste is all covered the meat and let it cook about 1 to 2 minutes. After you add eggs, directly scramble it. Don't let it cook. And now you will have a thick and yummy taste paste. Once we finish stir fry green curry paste with seafood, we are going to add Thai sweet basil inside of it. And then add our curry paste. We will sprinkle some kaffir leaf and red chili. It looks better, right? The color. It's almost done. This is the last step. We are going to add the coconut bowl inside the steamer and let it cook about 5 minutes. Yay! It's done! And it looks so good. So, I feel very sad if I have to try alone. I think I will call my guest today. Excuse me. Let's come here. Let's try with me.
Ooh.
It looks too good to try alone.
Yeah, it looks very
It looks good, right? Huh?
Almost don't want to eat. Afraid to ruin it.
I'm proud of myself. Cannot, because it looks good, so you have to eat. No need to worry. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Yes, that I have shrimp, I have mussel, and I have squid.
Coconut meat inside. Oh.
อร่อยอ่ะ
It's a bit spicy.
ก็อยู่อิตาลีอ่ะ
Yeah.
อร่อยเนาะ
Yeah.
I think
Oh, yeah.
if you guys try to do this, you will be. Alright, again, one take, action. If you guys do this and serve to your friends or your family, trust me, they will be surprised like, wow.
Yeah.
How you learn to do this dish?
Yeah. True.
Yeah.
But I was not expecting that at all. It looks really nice. Like you see the coconut, and then inside you have so many things. Really good.
Yeah. And the taste is so good, right? Because my homemade Thai green curry paste is
It's the first time I think I eat coconut not as a dessert.
Nó.
Really good. It's surprising.
Yeah, it succeed dish. Even my guest, he love it. So you too. I no doubt you will love this dish for sure. Alright, as always, if you like this video, this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to receive a notifications when I add a new one every Monday. Of course, that would be great if you can share this video to your friends, leave me a comment, and shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย